April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you one of my birthday presents. I got this gift from one of my grandchildren's other grandmother, and oh, is it lovely. She knows I love red, so she said she had a little collection of some red fabrics and that she was going to gift them to me. So she gave me a little card and it says happy birthday. And of course that's in red too. So she's got a variety of colors here and I just want to show you what I got. I'm so excited for this. She gave me a whole big spool of ribbon and of course that's red. And we're going to pull these out. This is so nice. I love lobsters and there's quite a lot of fabric here. And this is just a whole bunch of lobster fabric. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but let me tell you, I will be making something. Look how cute that is. More lobster fabric. Look how adorable. She said she had made one of the grandkids a quilt out of this. This is tractor fabric. So cute. That's going to make such a great backing on a quilt. There's a lot here too. So fun. These were old sheets that she had, and there's a lot of fabric here. But look how cute these little owls are. Definitely going to do something fun with that. So cute. I love recycling fabric. I love taking old sheets or old anything and breaking it down and making something else with it. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I do a lot of scrappy quilts and I break down a lot of clothes and put that in my quilts too. So anytime I can get gifted fabric, I love it. This is adorable. Now I think those are carrots. They could be beets, but isn't that so cute? I love checkers, so anything checks is my favorite. Gingham is my favorite fabric of all time, and I just love anything with checks. Little Christmas trees. Isn't that so adorable? It's like Christmas fabric. Quite a lot here as well. Some nice pretty pink. It's got like leaves on it. Some red with some pretty blue flowers in it. Very nice. There's quite a bit on this one. It looks like when pigs fly. There's quite a lot here too. Cute. Very nice. It's quite a lot of this. Very nice. And last but not least, some very pretty fabric with leaves on it. Okay, I just want to say thank you to Francine for all of this beautiful fabric, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're all watching from.
Say bye, little Miss Ready Thready.